What's up, guys? Welcome to Mike It Yourself and today's Review Wednesday. For today's video, we're going to take a look back at the Kemimoto saddlebag organizers that I installed on the 2017 Road Glide. So let's take a look at them. Okay, guys, if you remember, we replaced the side liner organizers that I had. I believe those were Hartley branded, and they were already torn up. They were kind of beat up, and really they got in the way, especially when I was trying to take these things off or whatever. It became a problem for me. So I wanted something that I could still use to store the stuff that I had, but be out of the way, maximize my room. And the solution I found was Kemimoto saddlebag organizers. Now, these are held on with the Velcro tape, and it hasn't moved at all. I don't load them up. I just don't have that much stuff to put in these specifically, but they've done an amazing job. I've got zero problems with them. I don't actually have anything on my left side right now. I just haven't gone out recently that I need to fill those things up, but this truly has helped out significantly because again, I'm kind of just one of those people who I can't seem to leave the house without tools for some reason. Like I just have this paranoia that I'm gonna break down along the way, or I'm for sure gonna run into somebody else, a brother on the freeway or something like that, who's broken down and needs some help. And I want to make sure I'm able to do that. So I carry all kinds of stuff with me, and that'll be a future video at some point. We'll talk about kind of tools and what I typically carry with me on even short road trips, right? Like, paranoia is real. I don't know. But let's get back to these organizers. So anyhow, great tool. I keep my registration and stuff, my insurance card here in the saddlebag. And then, like I said, I carry some keys for some locks and stuff like that. I throw my zip ties in this, and you've got additional pockets here for even more stuff. But overall, these things have been great. I've had zero problems with them. They really do take the stuff out of the way. If you're not like me and you just want to take like maybe some screwdrivers, a couple Allen wrenches, small stuff, these things could actually act as your tool roll if you really wanted to. I mean, it's if you're a bare bones kind of person, right, where you're only worried about small things. But if you're like me and you're carrying friggin' air compressor or whatever, they ain't gonna work. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys that quick review. These things have done great. I really wish I would have done it probably a little sooner, just because I taking those other ones off was always a nightmare for me. It was just a pain in the butt. They just kept getting in the way, right? Like, it's frustrating. It's one of those things, like kind of like when you're in the middle of sleep and you're cold, but you don't want to get up to go get another blanket or whatever it is, fix your blanket, because you want to stay asleep, but you can't sleep because you're cold, right? Yeah, it's kind of like that, right? Where you just, you need to do something about it, but you just don't do it. So that's exactly what that was. And finally, I just broke down and replaced them, and glad I did. So I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, hit that thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, become a subscriber. I'd like to have you as part of our community. And if you don't want to miss out on the next video, hit the notification bell. And until that video does post, I hope to see you in the wind.